Hey Sugar Snaps, today I want to share a slightly different type of video. I'm going to do a build of this Ashford Kiwi spinning wheel. I just picked this up at Paradise Fibers yesterday. I have my Ashford Traveler that I've been spinning on for about 20 years, and I decided it was time to experiment with something new, so I got a double treadle castle style wheel, and that's this Ashford Kiwi that I'll be setting up. So I'm going to dive in and see if I can put this together today. If you want to learn how to get started spinning, check out this video where I go over how to get started drafting fiber and getting the spinning wheel going, and I use my Traveler for that video. So the wheel comes with a little manual on how to start spinning, the Kiwi spinning wheel instructions of how to build it because the pieces are all apart, a Ashford catalog, and the wheel, which is an Ashford Fibercraft magazine, which I didn't know that they did. This is a 2020-21 edition, so they must do a couple years at a time, but that's pretty cool. It has patterns and stories and things in it. Okay, so we've got a bunch of hardware that we're going to be working with, a bunch of pieces to put together. I'm gonna need a hammer. I'm gonna need a hammer. I'm going to go get a hammer. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is take all the pieces out of the cardboard so that I can see them. Oh, there's the crank. One of them at least. And then I'll go from there. A bobbin. And I'll just say that I've never put a spinning wheel together. This guy my parents got for me when I was young, and it was already put together. So this will be a fun experience. Figuring out how to put this together. We'll see if the directions are as easy as IKEA. Here's the wheel folded up. To unfold it, I'm going to unscrew this knob here and the knob on this side. Lower these guys. Reposition the conrod bar in the front by clicking that on. Tighten these guys closed. And there I'm ready to go.